I've been watching a couple of YouTube videos on how to grow your YouTube channel, on how to increase your watch hours. And this YouTuber has really talked a lot about this particular strategy. I'm going to do tip about what she said she did and one of her students did as well, and it worked. So I'm going that within 7 days, you are going to be increasing your watch hours. You get the 4,000 watch hours and get your YouTube money. So YouTube videos on how to increase your watch hours, get subscribers, and they've been working. So this particular one, I would like also to strategize and key into it. Let's see how it goes. So everyone that really needs to increase their watch hours, I will want you to join me on this on this call. So guys, so watch the next clip and then we'll come back later to share my own thoughts about on how we will be doing our own right. Of course, we'll be learning from hers, but I'm going to be adding something to it. So guys, stay tuned.
That you want to get your 4,000 watch hour before the time frame, that is 365 days, and it's very difficult. I can swear to you, YouTube is very difficult. But now I've gotten a hack that works perfectly to getting your 4,000 watch hour in just 7 days. Yes, in just 7 days, you're going to get your 4,000 watch hour this fast, because I tested it on my student channel and it worked perfectly in 7 days. She got over 600 watch hours. She do it like this again and again, she's going to get to 3,000 watch hour in no time. Yes, if you're having a faceless channel, you can also inculcate this method into your channel. Any of the channel that you are using, you can inculcate this method. It's very safe than the other type of apps that we know about. That's the Restream, the OBS. You are not going to use anybody's content. You are just going to use Google and you are going to use your YouTube app. Yes, these two things. That is what you are going to use to get your 4,000 watch hour on time, and you are going to get monetized. Yes, this channel is going to get monetized in the next 3 weeks, and I'm very sure of it because she has been going live silently on this app. Now I'm going to show you what you are going to do. You are going to go to your Google and take a very nice picture of the background you are going to use. Yes, because you are going to use that picture as a background.
So guys, you've watched the clip, right? So she said from her video, from her learning, right, that we're going to be getting a background picture from Google. So I know that you can either get a picture from Google or you can also go to Pinterest. So I've watched a couple of our videos and I've learned a lot. So I'm saying we are going to be adding 1 or 2 to our own, right? So we'll be getting those screenshots as she has taught from Google. We'll also be getting our own screenshots as well from Pinterest, either of the 2 applications. So once we get to our pictures or redos or whatever thing we want to use as our silent screen background on YouTube whenever we go live, so I will advise you also go to either CapCut or InShot to re-edit it. You don't put it exactly the way it is. You re-edit it, and also add 1 or 2 to it, make it your own, because these things are other people's work that's on the internet. We're going to be seeing how this would increase our watch hour, right? Me also, I've been struggling on how to increase my watch hour. So this channel is all about tips on how to grow your YouTube channel. And these tips, you see, we have a lot of tips on YouTube. So we are going to be learning from what other content creators has put up on their channel, and we are going to be strategizing, making it our own, guys. So please, if you know you want to join me on this 7 days increase watch hour, please let me know in the comment section so I can add you to the WhatsApp group. You understand? So guys, from her learning, she said that you would get a background picture or whatever thing you want to use on your live streaming, silent live streaming, then you screenshot, then you put directly. You can go to her channel and watch the full video. So you put it directly live on through your YouTube app. I'm going to be showing you screen record of how we can get this done and also personalize and make this whatever thing we have gotten from the internet, make it our own, and so that we don't get banned by YouTube, or so that we don't get reuse content issues. So guys, so please stay tuned and watch this video to the end, because you're going to be enjoying and getting a lot of value from this, from this video. Yes, we can learn on YouTube. We can also add one or two from whatever thing we have learned on YouTube. From other content creators. So nobody says it has to be exactly the way they say it. We are going to be adding one or two things from our own learning. So once you get this picture, you go to InShot or Canva to re-edit these pictures. You add one or two things to make it your own, to make it seem like you did not get somebody's work that has been done completely and then you're using it without getting copyright approval from the person that owns that work, right? So let's dive to the next clip on this recording on how we can get this done. So watch and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so you can see from the screen recording on my phone, I have to go to pin interest. I had to go to pin interest, and then I'm searching for, you can basically use any idea. You can decide to use picture background, which is in nature. You can decide to do animal riddle. You can decide to use brain teaser. It could be mathematical riddle or whatever thing of your choice. I've used couple of some pictures, like you can see the elephant pictures where you have different animals. So you can just, you can do a lot with this background. So I'm searching. You can see I'm searching for a particular thing I can actually use from Pinterest. This is Pinterest. I'm searching with animal puzzle. I'm searching with animal puzzle. So to get a particular eye-catching puzzle that people will be so much interested. You can see this one. This is animal puzzle where people are supposed to look at and then count the number of animals that are on that picture. But I thought of, let me use another one. So I'm really searching for the one that will interest me, and I feel people would, it will engage the audience. So I'm still searching. You can do this. You can take your time. You don't have to rush in this case, because you're trying to take your time to make sure you get the particular content that people will like. So these questions, people are meant to read and then think about the answers. So I feel like, okay, this one will be fine. So I screenshotted. I first of all downloaded it to my phone gallery. Right, you can see what I'm doing on the screen. So I downloaded it and then saved it on my profile. That's on Pinterest profile. So now I'm going back to my phone gallery to look out for that particular picture I downloaded. So here is it. So I'm trying to I'm trying to reduce the sizing, that reducing. So I had to go to InShot app. I had to go to InShot app so I can re-edit it. So from my InShot app, you go to photos. The photos. So once you go to photos, it will take you to your gallery where you have to pick that particular picture. So you resize. The essence for this resizing is when you go live. I've had this experience a lot of times. Once you go live, you will see that the resizing, the whole write-up will not come up well. Some will be hidden because of better what I mean. So once what I do is I reduce the size, then add our subscribe picture to it, then change the color as well to black. So in this case, I've added one or two things and I've made it my own content, right? So that it doesn't look exactly the way I screenshotted it. I've added subscribe, you can see it, and then the background I resized it and changed the background color. So at this point, I've already downloaded it to my phone. So now I'm going to YouTube. So once you go to YouTube, try to go live here, you can see. So yes, is it made for kids? Or you say no, it's not meant for kids. So 2, 3, 1, going live. You can see, guys, YouTube is very sweet. So you go to green this thing. So once you click on that green screen, then it takes you to this part. If you need a really comprehensive step-by-step on how to go live, let me know in the comment section. I believe everyone, this is not really difficult for us to do. So you can see immediately I go live, and now go to the green screen, then the screen changes to green. Then I'll also repeat the same process. Then go to my gallery, select the particular picture which I re-edited on InShot, so you can see, then put it on my screen. Then and then turn off the camera so that I don't show anymore on. Like, I don't mean to turn off the camera. You can see the first arrow up, so you just click on it so that it removes me from the interface of the welcome back, guys, of the screen. And this is day 1. We are going to be doing this live streaming, so silent live streaming. Let's see how far it goes. Thank you very much for your time, and till we meet again in my next video, I'm going to be coming back again from another teaching from another YouTuber on this. Thank you very much for always watching my video, and also always subscribe. If you've not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications, so that anytime I upload videos, you'll be able to get notified. Have an amazing week. Bye for now. Bye.